Prepping channel, and today I am going to show you. This is just a very quick recipe. It's Memorial Day weekend, and I'm just fixing a lot of things for the weekend in case anybody does come over. And right here, I'm going to fix macaroni and tomatoes. And so what I have done is I brought the water up to boil. I put I don't know, right much salt. You want your water to be like ocean water. You want it to be that salty. And so I brought the water up to a boil. I put in a 1 pound box of elbow macaroni, and I'm gonna let this cook. And all I've got in this is the water and the salt, and then the macaroni. And I'm gonna let the macaroni cook for about 10 minutes, I guess. And when it gets done, I'll bring you back and show you what I'm doing next. Okay, I'm back. All right, so I've got the macaroni. It's been drained and it's cooked. I mean, it's been cooked and drained. I've got 1 stick of butter, and I usually would probably only put a half a stick because I usually put milk in it, but I don't have any milk. So I've got this 1 stick of butter that I'm going to put in here. And then I have 1 large 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. This is the Romano's crushed roasted garlic and olive oil. I'm going to put those in here. Macaroni and tomatoes was one of the things that my grandma used to fix all the time when I was growing up. Alright, and now I've got 1 can of diced tomatoes. I'm going to put those in here. And then I'm just going to cook this on low until the butter melts, and I'll let it simmer in these a little bit, and I'll bring you back after it's done, and we'll taste this and see what it tastes like. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Alright, so the macaroni and tomatoes have cooked now, and I want to check them, and I've only got a little bit because this is for dinner tonight. So I put a little bit in this bowl, and I'm going to taste them for y'all, and we'll see what they taste like. Remember, these have got 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes in them. So here's the macaroni and tomatoes. All right, let me taste these. Oh, these are really good. Really good. I need to put some pepper in them and some more salt, and they'll be perfect. It would have made them a lot creamier if I'd have had some milk to put in them, but I don't even have any heavy whipping cream, so I used the butter, and that's okay. It would have just been a whole lot better if I'd have used a little bit of milk in them. So you can see the tomatoes in there, because I did use I used diced tomatoes. My grandma always made macaroni and tomatoes. My nurse Alicia said she had never had them before, so I'm going to get her to taste them. She doesn't want any today, but we'll have leftovers tomorrow, so she's going to taste them tomorrow. All right. I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a wonderful Memorial Day. Look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also to links from Amazon where you can purchase things that I use in my kitchen. And you have a good day. Talk to you later. Bye.